Hey, Coach Carter here, and I want to welcome you to an awesome upcoming year, 2021, here at FHC. It's been really tough for the last 6 months as we've been dealing with this whole COVID thing, but I'm really excited that your student's going to be in my class as we start getting prepared for this school year. With Intro to Weight Training, we're going to focus on a lot of different things as far as with body movements. We're going to learn about compound exercises, working multiple muscle groups, and concentration exercises working on single muscle groups. We'll run through different fitness tests. We'll do body weight and body fat measurements monthly. We'll do max out assessments throughout the semester, really working on getting your student to make those gains and overall lifelong fitness so that hopefully they never have to pay for a personal trainer. This is my 3rd year at FHC, my 14th year overall teaching. I coach girls volleyball in the fall and boys volleyball in the spring. As I said, I'm really excited about this school year getting started. Whatever I can do to help you out is my main focus for the parents, helping the students out as well. Anything that I can do, please reach out. Feel free to email me. We'll have different apps that we'll be using in class. We'll have different workout cards. And at the end of the semester, the students will be able to create their own workout, which I'm pretty excited about. So I'm really looking forward to this year, and I'm excited to have your student back in class. Back to getting these reps out.